Welcome. Today, we are unboxing the incredible HI Plus powered by Honda HTP sprayer. Designed for efficiency and durability, this sprayer is perfect for all your spraying needs. Let's get started. Unboxing. As we carefully open the box, you'll notice everything is neatly packed. Here's what we have: the Honda GX160 engine, the sprayer pump with its pressure gauge, large and small pulleys, the durable frame, belts, and all the nuts and bolts you'll need for assembly. Everything you need to bring this machine to life is right here. Thank you for watching this HI Plus HTP sprayer powered by Honda unboxing video. Honda for all, to empower all.